What if I told you that you were never meant to be ordinary? That the restlessness you feel, the pull towards something more, is not just a passing thought, it is a summons. You feel it, don't you? That whisper in the back of your mind, the one that tells you that the life you are living is not the life you were meant for. That something has been taken from you. That you have spent your entire existence searching for a key to a door you cannot even see. You know this. You've always known this. And yet here you are, trapped. Stuck in a cycle that drains you. Forced to play a role that was never yours to begin with. You have followed the rules. You have been patient. You have tried again and again to mold yourself into what the world told you to be. And what has it given you in return? Pain, betrayal, lies. You have been abandoned by the ones you loved the most. Used, discarded, left to wonder why nothing ever lasts. You have poured your heart into people who have taken everything and given nothing back. You have waited for someone to choose you, to see you, to save you. And every time you have been left with less than you started with. You have spent years trying to be good enough. For love, for happiness, for a life that does not feel like a punishment. And yet, no matter what you do, it is never enough. Because the world was never designed to reward women like you. It was designed to break you. And if you do not wake up, if you do not take what is yours, you will be stuck in this cycle forever. Because power does not come to those who wait. Power does not come to those who ask. Power comes to those who take it. That is why you are here. That is why you found this. Because deep down, beneath the heartbreak, beneath the exhaustion, beneath the voice that tells you to give up, there is something else. Something old. Something hungry. And it remembers. It remembers who you were before the world tamed you. It remembers the nights you stood in the dark and felt something staring back. It remembers the fire in your blood, the call of the storm, the way your body knows the truth even when your mind tries to deny it. You were never meant to be weak. You were never meant to kneel. And you are not crazy for wanting more. The reason you are lost is because you have been severed from your own power. You have been told that your instincts are wrong. That the things you feel, the rage, the longing, the hunger, are things to be suppressed. But that is a lie. And now you have a choice. You can continue as you are, waiting, hoping, begging for something to change. Or you can take back what was stolen from you. And that is exactly what Templum Diana is here to do. We are not here to comfort you. We are not here to tell you that everything will work out if you just trust the universe. That is a lie designed to keep you weak. We are here to wake you up, to destroy the illusions that have kept you bound, to drag you, kicking and screaming, into the truth of who you really are. And that is exactly what Lilith, the dark goddess, offers you. This book is not for the weak. It is not for those who still believe that suffering is noble, that love must be earned, that their power is something they must deserve. This book is for those who are ready to burn everything to the ground and rise from the ashes. Lilith is not just a name. She is not just a myth. She is the first woman who ever refused. The first to say no. The first to walk away rather than bow. She was cast out, demonized, turned into a nightmare to keep other women from following her path. But she did not break. And neither will you. Because once you step onto this path, there is no going back. Inside this book, you will find the truth that has been hidden from you. You will learn who Lilith really is. Not the demon they warned you about, but the force of self-liberation that has been calling you back to yourself. You will find the rituals and invocations to call her into your life, to feel her power inside you, to shatter the chains that have held you back. You will see, with brutal clarity, the lies that have kept you small, the beliefs that have made you suffer, and you will be given the tools to break them forever. You will learn the forbidden knowledge of witchcraft, not the sanitized, commercialized nonsense they sell to the masses, but the real, raw, dangerous truth that has been kept from you for a reason. And you will not be the same when you finish. Because once you touch this power, once you taste it, you will never settle for anything less. You will not beg for love. You will not wait for permission. You will not kneel. You will become something the world has not seen in centuries. And when they look at you, when they realize that you have stepped beyond their control, they will fear you. But by then, it will be too late. Because you will no longer be the woman who needs to be saved. You will be the woman who saves herself. This is your moment. The world has stolen enough from you. It has taken your voice, your power, your confidence, your magic. It has made you believe that you are small, that you must be chosen, that you must be good enough. But you do not have to be chosen. You just have to choose yourself. And it starts now. You will find the link to Lilith the Dark Goddess in the first comment below. Read it at your own risk. Because once you open these pages, Lilith will find you. And she does not come for those who are not ready.